Yo, niggas is bliss to the idea of heaven and hell. Dying and killing niggas is trapped in the cell. It's hard to tell. I may not sell, but I will never fail, because I never settle, never go below sea level, never reach a well, never went to jail, but done a lot of bad shit. Never needed bail. What I needed was escape. Straight out of Brooklyn. Didn't lose my pops to gunshots. Instead, I lost that nigga to a woman. Knew me bitch with AIDS, got his life tooken. That shit makes me paranoid, thinking my life is next. I'm more than upset, I'm fucking vexed. Tryna get a check, hit your chest, checkmate. Let the beef escalate, then squash it before it's too late, before someone's dead. Never kill unless I have to, I always said. 50 caliber Desert Eagles, a lot of lead. I act a name, but if you Bruce Wayne, I turn my ass to Bane, with veins coming out my brain if I die in vain. Taking someone cause my ass is insane. I will gain power in my fucking hands. Last battle, last stand. I do it for my real niggas, do it for my fiends. Extravagant and laborious, then I'm avarice, cause money don't mean shit. You malicious bastards hating and faking. I'm just awaiting, re-aiming with the bullet, drilling into your dome. I got the eyes of Satan, use a little bitch. If you hear the clack, then you already hear the click. If a nigga big and black, then you hit him with a stick. If a nigga talking smack, then you grip the full clip, extend the clip, blow him out his element. Pain, I'm the glorious, victorious, and notorious Godfather. Fuck with me, take a 44 revolver, burning niggas alive. Fire start, I'm tryna go harder, tryna reach the ceiling, toughen up, nigga. I don't spare feelings. Got niggas on guard, we be chillin'. Last man standing, first nigga hit the floor. You niggas soft, my nigga, we coming through your door. This is war, there can't be bloodshed without the gore. You niggas trash, picking you up is my fucking chore. I'm sharp as a crux, I'm a vampire doing the dust, tracking down my prey like a motherfucking scavenge hunt. That nigga suck, that nigga sunk of the ocean, busting your bitch face like lotion. Deadly silence, fuck the commotion. Getting the best, bust a nigga face open, getting the gas, bust right back is my only notion. I'm the joker with the poker face, but I ain't joking. That red dot on your head like a decimal. This is the demon of the nightmare, my angel's reciprocal. I'm the mystical, you niggas typical. I'm the animal, the cannibal, eating like a monster, cause niggas will test the man in you.
Round 2, nigga, ha 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 ha.
Fighting through the intimidations and limitations amongst oneself, that's me, won't be eliminated. Stress turns to aggravation, now waiting, hoping and praying and saving money. The money I'll be fucking chasing. I'm from the city where it never rests, blazing blunts, popping niggas for fun, gun fest. Brooklyn, New York City, some call it the Big Apple, where the big slugs, no loves, Crips and Bloods. You'll see the streets unravel, there's thugs, no hug, thirsty niggas that done you like a snapple. Sitting here thinking about the wars, drop a nigga to the floor, tackle the court. This is the ball zone, on the wrong pressure, getting to my dome. Lone warrior, shooting and battling in this war zone. Brooklyn, never been outside of housing. Clouded judgment, never checking my surroundings. See it, niggas change, but the hood stay the same. See it, niggas selling drugs, niggas trying to get the fame. Mentality did a full rattle like chains. Niggas die every day, burning in the flames. Niggas hoping for the best, but the best never came. Fuck it, sell drugs for a living, shit won't change.